Hi there everybody, Sanna here again. I would like to share with you a custom ordered present box that I created using several Tattered Angels products. So this is the finished box that I did. So you can open the lid. Sorry, kind of hard with one hand. And so when you open it, you have it's pink inside. It has a little bit patterned paper in there, and on the bottom also, and it has also tiny feet, which I attached with gel medium onto the box. And these are all painted, so the box is painted with Tattered Angels Decor and DIY do-it-yourself paint. This color is Scarlet, and the second color I used is called Crystal. And I just basically mixed two parts of the red and in relation one part of the white. So I think I took 6 scoops of red paint and 3 scoops of half. So half of the color in white for the mixture, and it resulted in this lovely pink color. And this is actually going to be a present box for a wedding. A friend of mine asked if I could make one, so I altered perfume box and painted it first with the Tattered Angels paint, and then added the pattern papers, did some used a decoupage glue on top and on the bottom of the pattern papers, and there's also a doily in there. And I've also added, I don't know if you can see that, but that glitter part there, that's glitter paste. And I've used my stencils, the Sanna Lippert designed stencils by Stamplerations, and these are the leaves, tiny leaves that I've used. I think you can see the pattern there. And I've also used the flowers here. And this is Inca Gold that I added on top. And that particular one is from Viva Decor. That's glitter, iridescent glitter paste. And then I've added some Vikinanka chipboard pieces, some flowers, paper roses in 2 different types and colors. And then I've also added some hearts. I don't know if these are resin or just paper that are covered with kind of glossy paint, I think. And I've also colored all these chipboard pieces with the Pink Poodle Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist. And the lovely thing is that I only had just a little bit left from my tutorials. I've been using this for the Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist series, and this bottle was almost empty. And the fun thing is that there was almost no color left, but I had a lot of glitter on the bottom of the bottle still left. So I poured it into one of these I don't know how to call this, and palettes, and used water tank pencil brush to add the color on top of these pieces here. And the funny thing what happened is it turned just slightly pink, and I have that beautiful golden shimmer going on these pieces there. I don't know if you can see it on the video. And then I've added some liquid pearls there. These are by Ranger, and I think this is the bronze color. And then this is a wooden piece I've taken from IKEA furniture, and I sprayed it with gold paint, and it's screwed onto the box, so you can use it. So you can actually use this box over and over again. And on the sides I've got some velvet ribbon and some sequin ribbon in iridescent tones. So that's it, that's the box. I enjoyed creating this a lot, and I'm almost sad that I have to give this away. I hope the new owner likes it a lot. Pink is not the color usually that I go for, but this turned out really nice to my liking. And yeah, the paper is just like this, both-sided, that I used. I can't remember who is this by. Let me check if I can find the name. It's an older series. I don't know. I cut off the piece. Let's see if it says it here. Oh yeah, this is for Cosmo Cricket. It's called the Delovely collection. It's an older one, and I had this paper at home, so I used it. It matches perfectly the mixed color of this paint. That's it. I've stenciled, I've added paint, I've added spray ink, and I've even added some glimmer mist onto these roses, and I have this golden shimmer going on here too. So, and there's some glitter glue on these circle parts of the chipboard too. So that's it. That's the altered box. That was just a regular dull perfume box, and this is what I ended up with after I gave it a nice treat with these Tattered Angels paints and spray inks and lots and other stuff. I hope you enjoyed this short box introduction. I will also add some photos of this box to my blog, so you can go there and take a better look. Thanks for coming by. Bye!